Welcome po to Reviewers, a compilation of exam reviewers and item explanations. Dumiretso na tayo sa tanong na ito. Discover the principle involved in the given series and determine the next elements. 1, 2, 5, 6, 11, 12, 19, and 20. Is it A, 25, 26, B, 27, 28, C, 29, 30, or D, 31 and 32. Now, dito po may dalawang option po na pag-examine ng ating series or number series na ito para makita natin yung next elements. Take note, next elements, kaya nga po yung ating options may dalawa. The first thing we need to do here is to look into the common or the difference. Not necessarily common kasi nga di pa tayo sure kung may common difference ba. Because when you move from here to here, you're simply adding 1. Okay? Pag dito, you're adding 3. However, 1 also appeared here. Okay? So baka yung next is a 3. However, dito po is 5. In short, yung common difference natin po dito will not work. Okay? But you can examine it further if you would like to because you will have here 11 and 12. 1. So, nagre-repeat na po yung 1. And dito, observably, we can see a pattern on the second differences. 3, 5, 7. Because here, 1 will still reappear. And then, of course, since there's a 3, 5, 7, we expect that the next difference would be plus 9. Okay? So, the next item here, based on this trend that we're able to observe, is yung 20 plus 9. That's the first item or the first next element. So, dito sa options natin, isang option lang po ang may 29, which is actually letter C. So, automatically, this is already the answer. And of course, since after adding 9, we return to adding 1. So again, 20 plus 9 is 29. Then plus 1, you will have here 30, which again corresponds to letter C here. Now earlier I mentioned may dalawang method. This is the first one. The second method I would like to share to you, nakita ko lang din dito, is that our terms could be paired or elements could be paired. So 1, 2, they are actually consecutive or magkakasunod na mga numero. Kagaya ng 5 and 6, and 11 and 12, saka 19 and 20. So kung ganitong method earlier ay nahihirapan kayo, pwede nyo gamitin ito. Kasi nga po, from this, these pairs are of consecutive or magkakasunod. The next thing here is from here to there. So we have 1 to 5. 1 to 5, okay? That's plus 4. That's similar to 2 and 6. So 4 yung difference natin. I'm not saying 4 yung next kasi nga i-check po natin. 5 to 11 is actually plus 6, which is also true from 6 to 12. So yung pattern natin sa bawat pair na ito is increasing in order. So we're expecting here 11 to 19 is plus 8, which is also true to 12 to 20 plus 8 then. So if you're going to follow this trend, aside from the earlier trend, we are expecting here that for the next pair, kasi next elements naman yung tanong, we are going to add 10. So that it will be plus 4, plus 6, plus 8, and plus 10. Which corresponds to our answer earlier. 19 plus 10 is 29, and 20 plus 10 is 30. So ito po yung dalawang method na pwedeng gamitin upon observation in answering this item. Once again po, ito po yung reviewers. Don't forget po to subscribe on our channel, like our videos, and if kaya naman po, paki-share na lang din po. And leave a comment po for our future videos improvement. And follow our FB page and stay tuned for more videos. Maraming salamat!